my full name is Barbara Martha Serenilia, but everyone calls me Barbie. Okay, I'm an English teacher for a Korean company.
Okay.
And I'm 24. Actually, I've lived in many different cities. Parañaque, Quezon City, Marikina. Now I'm currently in Green Hills. Yes. Kahit na maputi ako at hindi masyadong mukhang Pilipino, and lagi nila akong tinatanong kung, lalo ng mga students ko, tinatanong ako kung Pinay ba ako. Yes, I consider myself very much a Filipino, and I can't be anything else other than that, I think. Okay, I consider myself Filipino because I love Philippine humor, and I consider Filipinos emotionally intelligent people, and I guess I'm more of that. And also, I'm very family-oriented. And in this day and age, I think it's just nice to know Filipinos are still family-oriented. I love fishballs and isaw and halo-halo and what else?